Everybody, and Merry Christmas. I'll get it adjusted here so maybe I can hold it still. You've never seen this before, and this is in the apartment upstairs from me. Yes, I own the building, and I rent out 2 apartments. Yeah, right. And I live in the bottom one. I have gone in the hole more with these apartments than I've got. And I'm sorry I'm shaking. I've been cleaning. I've been up here cleaning. These people that was up here was supposed to be friends. And I no longer call them friends. Just like another tenant that I had that was supposed to have been friends. And she wasn't. She turned out to be just as vindictive, if not more, than these people. But anyhow, I am up here. Go over here to the window. Yes, I've got an extension cord run. There's my porch down there. And I'll go around here and show you. There's the extension cord and my sweeper. I'll go over here so you can turn around and see what the room looks like. I'm not sure the measurements of this room, but this is the living room. There's a closet over there with my trash bag hanging on it. And this room wasn't real bad because they used it as their living room. But this room over here turned out to be their bedroom. And this room is really huge. But this room was absolutely horrible. I mean horrible. There was dog poop all over the place. And this still has a few stains in it. And I suppose the dog did this. Because you know how when you pull some thread or something and it just keeps going and going? Yeah. It wasn't like that when they moved in. There's another one over there. But this room is very big. There's a closet there. And yes, this is stuff I've got to take back downstairs. That's why they're setting at the stairs so I can get them in. But yeah, this room over here is another bedroom. And it's rather big. My bedroom downstairs is 12 by 16. This room is not quite as big as what mine is downstairs. But there's some linoleum. I'm going to put that under the bathroom sink in there. That's some linoleum that I had left over. Well, they call it vinyl now. But that's what I put in the bathroom. And you can't see the bathroom over there because it's so dark. There is no electric up here. But I'm going to put that under the bathroom sink because it would make it look better. And there was some there, but it was all ripped in pieces. And the reason I had to put the vinyl floor in the bathroom is because somebody took a utility knife and sliced it right down the middle of the floor. But this room here, if I can stay away from the window so it won't blind you, because the sun's coming in right there. There was a hole in the ceiling right here from a leak that was outside. And moving on, Greg, Gloria's husband, helped me. Well, he fixed. I wasn't going to go up on that ladder up on that roof, but he fixed the leak for me. And I had to fix the ceiling. And let me go over here see if maybe I can get you so you can see it. Okay, there was a big hole in the ceiling right there. And I had my feller help me with the drywall to put back up there. And I went ahead and mudded it and textured it and fixed it. And yeah, you can tell a little bit of difference in the texture. But there was no way I was going to do this to that ceiling. I mean, I didn't even have any more of the spackling or whatever you call it. But this, I don't know who was on what drugs, but look at this mess. It's horrible. The most thickest roller I could get would not get up into those little crevices. I had to do this whole ceiling with a brush, and I think it took me 4 days. Yeah. But I couldn't stand on the ladder for very long. But anyhow, that's what I'm doing today. I am cleaning. There still is in every room but this front room where I'm at, the living room. Because I've already cleaned the baseboards and all the woodwork and stuff in here. But there was dog hair matted in the corners and stuff. I mean, it looks a lot better now. Smells a lot better too. I put down baking soda, I think 4 times. That's after I made the people that lived here pay to have it cleaned. But anyhow, I am running out of battery, so I'm going to cut this short. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm thinking of everybody and enjoying their family and their friends. Enjoy your day. Make those memories while you can. But anyhow, I'm going to get off here. Y'all take care. Stay safe. And we'll see you tomorrow. Y'all take care. Bye.